Every young person needs to go to college. And the better the college you get into, I don't care what it costs, the better future you're gonna have. Look, if you know what you wanna do for a living and it's a career that requires a college degree, then okay, sure, go to college. But even before you do that, go to a community college or find some way to knock out as many of your core credits as possible, as cheaply as possible. The point is to do as little college as necessary to get the credential you need, spending as little money as possible, and graduate with as little debt as possible and enter the workforce as soon as possible. Stay out of debt. All debt is bad. Owing people money is bad. They'll come and they'll take your life and they'll squash you like a bug. Debt can be amazing. That's just a tool. You can use it for good, you can use it for harm. Learn the difference between consumer debt, which is bad debt, and investor debt, which is good debt. If you're using debt to go get leverage or to arbitrage money for a higher return, you should absolutely go into debt. If you want security in this world, you need to get a job. Then life can be safe and comfortable and predictable. You just show up and they pay you. Why on this earth would I go get a job when I'm seeking security or predictability? A job is completely giving my security and my well-being to the hands of someone else who can choose to let me go or stop paying me at any time. If I want real security and predictability, I need to build a business that I control. I need to create my own job. If you can make $100 an hour, I don't care what it is, you do it. That is great money. I don't care if they pay you $1,000 an hour. Literally trading your time for the money you need to live or stay alive, that's slavery. And it's fine. If you have to do it while you have to do it, but do it while you're figuring out how to break free.